Autumn rain has just visited this New England forest hill. We'll be following the journey of a raindrop as it travels across this small patch of land. Tree canopies interrupt the descent of raindrops as they fall from clouds hovering up to 2 kilometers above ground level. Trees greedily soak up the sunlight, leaving little for the forest floor. Yet these giants' time too must pass. When they fall, a lucky sapling like this one may take advantage of the sudden opening and bolt up out of the shade. The trees also lay a network of roots that bind the hillside together, preventing erosion. Though steep, deciduous leaves blanket the hillside. This organic litter reduces runoff in 3 distinct ways. 1. It shields the soil from forceful raindrop impacts. 2. The soil is then able to absorb more water overall as the leaves slow down the rate of intake. 3. The slowed water is also less able to carry sediment further down the hill. These processes have protected this steep hill from erosion, which has allowed it to stand for more than 250 years. Our raindrop races along until it reaches a plateau where a huddle of pokeweed grows. This species grows distinct lens-shaped seeds, which are eaten by birds. At the foot of the hill, our raindrop merges into a stream. Moisture-loving ferns grow along its banks. Fallen branches make a beautiful natural staircase for our raindrop as it tumbles along the stream's lively waters. This staggered chain of puddles slow the flow of water and catch sediment. A similar structure can be replicated as erosion control measures for diversion channels. Nearby plants cast their roots into this modest brook for sustenance. Recent rain has washed away the soil here, revealing their thirsty appendages. The stream swishes back and forth across the forest floor. Here, it eats away at the soil supporting a cluster of plants, barely held together with twining roots. Along a particularly sharp bend, the stream's efforts to erode the soil are prevailing in spite of the clutching greenery. Our droplet adds to this effort. Even the mightiest trees may eventually succumb to this relentless onslaught. But even as the stream destroys on one bank, it gives back to the forest on the other. The sandy shallows of the waterway will quickly become choked with leaf litter and gradually convert to rich humus. From here, our droplet will hurry on through this forest before eventually joining the Blackstone River, flowing out to the North Atlantic Ocean. Perhaps you will encounter this very same droplet next time it visits this corner of the world after traveling on high through the clouds.